Hello everyone, this is Chef Kankana Fukan from IAM Guwahati. Asha koru sokolue bhale ase. I would like to add something about my institute. Our institute is it's a premier college institute of hotel management, and we serve various tourism and hotel management degrees over here. And here I am over the year have produces thousands of brilliant hospitality professionals, and they are doing really good all over the world. In our IAM, we not only focus on education, we also have some major events also. Our major events are like Food Fest, our Future Chef, where our students get hands-on experience because the things they do, they do by themselves, and we are there to guide them. So they get a hands-on experience over that. And for doing all this, we are guided by our chief mentor, Dr. Subarna Bose, our director ma'am, Ms. Maitri Chaudhary, and I would like to also thank them, and I would also like to thank our center head, Mr. Shushanta Chakraborty and Amul India, for giving me this platform. This lockdown, you must be craving for chocolatey sweets. So today I'm going to share a recipe of chocolate brownie on behalf of Amul India. So let's start. We are going to use basic ingredients which are easily available at our home. So this is sugar. You can take caster sugar or you can take green sugar as well, but you need to grind it so that it gets dissolved easily. So we are taking 350 grams of caster sugar, 6 numbers of eggs. Then we are taking Amul butter, which I have melted it, around 250 grams. And Amul chocolate, which I have melted it, and it is around 170 grams. Cocoa powder, 75 grams. And your flour, 60 grams. And 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence. So let's start our procedure. First of all, we are going to add egg, and sugar. Whisk it nicely until the sugar is dissolved. For making my recipe, I'm going to use few of the Amul products. Going to whisk it until the sugar is dissolved properly. আমি তেতিয়ালৈকে মিক্স কৰিম যেতিয়ালৈকে আপোনাৰ চেনিখিনি ভালকে মিক্স হৈ নাযায়। এতিয়া আমি অকমান 2 tablespoon vanilla essence add কৰিম। vanilla essence আপোনাৰ ধুনীয়া স্মেল দিব। যদি আপোনাৰ কিছু কোৱেশ্চন আছে, কিবা সুধিব লগা আছে, তো আপোনালোকে কমেন্টত লিখি দিব, and I will surely address them later. So this is the Amul chocolate. After we melt it like আপোনালোকে মাইক্ৰৱেভ ইউজ কৰিব পাৰে বা ডাবল বয়লাৰ ইউজ কৰিব পাৰে। ডাবল বয়লাৰ ইটছ লাইক যদি আপোনালোকে নাজানে মই ক'ব বিচাৰিছোঁ, ষ্ট'ভত আপুনি পানী থ'লে, এনেকুৱা এটা হাঁডিত পানী থ'লে তাৰ ওপৰত আপুনি বৌলত চকলেট বা বাটাৰ যদি আপুনি ডাবল বইল কৰিব বিচাৰিছে তো এনেকৈ ৰাখিব লাগিব। চ' সেই হিটটোত বস্তুটো মেল্ট হৈ যায়। অৰ ইউ কেন ইউজ মাইক্ৰ'ৱেভ ফৰ ইজি পাৰ্পাছ, সোনকালে মেল্ট হৈ যায়। So this is the Amul chocolate which we are using it. So after melting you get this. This is the Amul butter which I like to warm it again. Maybe for 30 seconds. বেছি দেৰি নহয়, বেছি দেৰি হ'লে কি হ'ব তো বস্তুটো জ্বলি যাব। So it might get burned. So we will do for maybe for 30 seconds. We'll also warm the chocolate. Chocolate আমি বেছি দেৰি গৰম নকৰোঁ বা we do not warm it at a high temperature because chocolate might get burned. ঠিক আছে, চকলেট জ্বলি যাব পাৰে যদি হাই টেম্পাৰেচাৰ পায়, চকলেট জ্বলি যায়। চ' আমি লাহে লাহে কম হিটত বা কম টাইমত মাইক্ৰ'ৱেভ কৰিলে কম টাইমত আমি মানে ওলাই বাৰে বাৰে মিক্স কৰি চাম যাতে it doesn't get burned. You guys are enjoying my show. If you have any questions, any queries, please write in the comment. I'll surely address later. I always prefer to use Amul product because last to finished product by now it's really tasty and the texture, the product which you get is very good. So I always prefer it. The Amul butter, Amul cream, Amul milk. So here I'm using Amul butter and Amul compound chocolate. যদি আপোনালোকে কম্পাউণ্ড চকলেট নাপায়ো তেনেহ'লে আপোনালোকে আমুল ডাৰ্ক চকলেটো ইউজ কৰিব পাৰে। So our sugar is dissolved. So now I'm going to add the butter and chocolate mix. Make sure কি বাটাৰ আৰু চকলেটৰ যোনটো মিক্স হয় সেইটো বেছি গৰম নহয়। যদি এইটো গৰম থাকে তেতিয়াহ'লে কি হ'ব, আপোনাৰ যোনটো এগছ আছে the egg which are there in here will get coagulated, will get cooked. ঠিক আছে, so এই বস্তু the chocolate আৰু butter যোনটো আছে সেইটো আপোনালোকে বেছি গৰম এড নকৰিব, কাৰণ গৰম হ'লে কি হ'ব বস্তুটো আমাৰ কণীটো যোনটো আছে সেইটো কুক কৰি দিব। তো মেক শিওৰ ইট ইজ warm but it is not hot. গৰম থাকক কিন্তু একদম বেছি যাতে গৰম নহয়, হালকা গৰম। So I'm going to add this in the sugar and egg mix. I hope you guys are enjoying my show. আশা কৰি আছো আপোনালোকে ভাল পাইছে। It's a very easy recipe which you can make at home. We'll mix it properly. So it's mixed well. ভালকে to mix কৰি লৈছো. Now I'm going to add flour and cocoa powder. ময়দা আৰু cocoa powder এটা আমি ইউজ কৰিম. এটা আমি এটা দিম. Make sure কি আমি sieve কৰো. Sieve কৰিলে কি হয় অকমান air incorporate হয়. যোনটো আপোনাৰ aerationৰ কাৰণে ফুলাবৰ কাৰণে help কৰে. As we are not using baking powder in it. আপোনালোকে brownie varieties বনাব পাৰে. Maybe walnut brownie, maybe nutty brownie using various nuts, kaju, kishmish di pine. It's up to your choice. আপোনালোকে কেনেকুৱা বনাব বিচাৰে. So we'll mix it well. Halke to mix kore lam ami. अगर आप लोग का कुछ भी क्वेरीज है, क्वेश्चंस है, प्लीज आप कमेंट में लिख दीजिएगा. I'll surely address it later. In my bakery class, I always prefer to use Amul product. So it gives you a nice texture, nice consistency, which you can see here. Do not overbeat it. Basically, mix no kore. Halka mix jate so bostu khini ekeloge mix hoy. You get a nice consistency of the batter. So now we are going to pour in a mold. I am using a round mold. Apnaluke square, rectangular zenuka mold আছে এনেকুৱা মোল্ড ইউজ কৰিব পাৰে. So this is the consistency which you can see. So etu itia ready hoy goise. Jehetu ma kolu you can use any molds. You can use triangle, you can use rectangular molds. Okay, so now we are going to bake this for around 160 degree for around 40 minutes. 40 minutes maybe for this mold, but jodi apuni patla mold, the mold which you are using it's smaller or it's big, so it will take time accordingly. So in this mold it will take around 40 minutes to bake. So we have set the timer 40. It is oven of So I've given Now 40 minutes, 160 temperature for 40 minutes for this brownie. Well, this has been done. And I'm sure you are not going to wait for 40 minutes. So, I agoti eta banai thoi disu, which I'm going to show you. This. So, wait for a pisot. It is something going to look like this. Now, to make it more fine, more beautiful, more nice, I can say that. So I'm going to apply ganache. How we make ganache is, ganache or truffle keneke banai, it's equal amount of chocolate and cream. Jitya ami, the way I told you, double boiler or microwave, jitya ami dutake melt koru, garam koru, you get this type of thing. Is it? Which is going to pour over it. So mix it nicely, bhalke to mix kori labo. So that it will uniformly uporot apuni spread koribo pare. So I'm going to use this. I'm using Amul compound chocolate and Amul cream to make this product, this ganache. So it's almost ready for us. Isn't look yummy? The brownie and the chocolate on the top. It's very interesting and I'm loving it. Now we will be doing the presentation. For that, I'll be doing a very simple presentation which you can do at home also. Jate apnaloke ghorat dhuniyake present koribo pare. I'll use that kind of technique. So yate ami ki korisu, I'll take a plate, a rectangular plate, apnaloke rectangular, square, round, anything you can take. Side of moi foil paper di dhaki disu. Kyo dhaki disu I'll show you now. I'll give a design of cocoa powder. Plate con white hoy, hekane ma cocoa powder disu. Jodi plate con black hole then black color hole then you can use icing sugar also. Now I'm going to remove this. Slightly clean the side. So our plating is ready. And we are ready to cut the brownie. So your brownie will be a bit gooey, common soft, liquid or texture hobo. This is our brownie ready to serve. I'll just add something over it. So what goes well with brownie? Yes, you're right. That is vanilla ice cream. Amul vanilla ice cream. Isn't it delicious? So I'm going to top it with Amul vanilla ice cream. I'm going to pour a bit warm water. Warm water, karon. যেতিয়া আমি scoop কৰিম এটো ধুনিয়াকে উলাই আহিব so I'm going to use Amul ice cream at the top. Isn't it lovely, guys? And I'm going to top this with a sprig of mint leaf. So our dish, our chocolate brownie is ready. Can you see, guys, the ice cream is melting on it? Isn't it lovely and yummy? I hope everyone likes it. Apnaloke jate ghorat banai aru please share with me how was the recipe. And a small tips for you guys, please do make with your loved one, with your dear one, or with your younger one, and do let me know how was it. Thank you from Amul India, and this is Chef